Mail Merge on CHARMS gives you the ability to create letters or documents for your records quickly and easily. For example, you could use Mail Merge to create a letter for all your currently placed children, and CHARMS will automatically extract their name, address, or contact information in bulk, saving you significant amounts of time. To use Mail Merge, you first need to create a template. This template tells CHARMS what information it needs to gather from your records. Any user in CHARMS can use the Quick Merge function available within records and on search screens, but only users with the mail_merge access level will have the facility to create, upload and manage templates and view their merge history. If you have the necessary permission, head over to the Mail Merge section on the main menu under Other Options. The Manage Mail Merge screen will open in a new tab. Within the Templates section, you can view the details of existing templates, or by clicking the drop-down arrow against each template, download, view, edit, or delete the template document. To add a new template, in the Templates box, click Add New. A new box will open and you will have several options. Type. Here you can indicate if the template relates to a child, family, or staff record. Subtype. Once you have selected the type, you then need to select what type of information you need from that type. Name. The name of the template. Group. The lookup list Mail Merge template groups allows you to add new groups here. Description. We'll add a description to make it easier to understand what the template performs. Create new file or upload new file. We need to decide if we want to make a new template within CHARMS or upload an existing template, such as a .docx file. In this example, we'll go with making a new template within CHARMS. New file name. Here we will type the file name of the final document. Click Save to save this template. From here we can click Edit to edit our template within the CHARMS template editing tool. We can now create our template using the standard formatting options. To insert our merge fields, we will click on the Reporting tab, then the Insert Merge Field button. The Insert Merge Field button will then give you a list of possible merge fields that you can use in your template. In this example, we'll select the carer's first name, surname, and their social worker's name and telephone number. The list of possible merge fields is dependent on the template type that we selected in the previous screen. The full list of available merge fields is available on the CHARMS wiki by searching Mail Merge Fields. When you are finished adding your fields, we'll click Save under File. A confirmation message will appear. We can now close the Template Tool tab and head back to our Mail Merge page. To run the merge, we'll close the Add New Template window and then click Start New Merge. Then select the template we wish to use. We'll pick the one we just made. Then click Save and add the records we wish to mail merge. On this screen, we'll select the records we want to merge by clicking the small tick box at the end of the record row. Then in the top right, click the Run Merge button. A new window will appear giving us the option to download or send as attachment. Download will let us download the .docx file with the merge fields. Send as attachment will let us email the file through CHARMS. In this example, we will send the file as an attachment. The From name drop-down is gathered from the signature lookup list. We'll give the merged document a reference, a file name, the subject of the email that will be sent, and any text that we wish to be included in the body of the email. We'll then select the recipient. If we want a copy of the letter to be added to the Records Progress screen, we will tick the Add to Progress tick box. Then select the appropriate progress. Finally, we'll click Send as Attachment. A message will appear confirming the merged document has been sent to the recipient. We'll close this window to continue. Once a merge has been run, a record of this will be in the Merge History box. In the Merge History box, you can start a new merge, view a merged file, download a merged file, or delete a particular merge from the history. We'll click the eye icon to view our merged file. It is worth noting that the Mail Merge functionality can also be used on the Family and Child search screens using the Mail Merge button or from the individual child or family record on the left-hand sidebar.